Title: Autoshorts AI, the ultimate guide to automated YouTube content creation and video series. Are you a content creator looking to scale your short-form videos without the constant grind? In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive deep into Autoshorts AI, a powerful platform designed to automate your content creation process. From setting up your account to building a video series on autopilot and even using AI avatars for faceless content, this tutorial covers everything you need to know. We will walk you through the entire process, including selecting the right pricing plan, creating a consistent video schedule, and using advanced features to make your content stand out. If you're ready to produce high-quality, engaging shorts for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels with minimal effort, you've come to the right place. We'll start by showing you how to set up your account and choose a pricing plan that fits your needs. We'll then explore how to create and manage video series, select unique art styles and narration voices, and use advanced tools like the AI avatar feature. By the end of this guide, you will have a complete understanding of how to leverage Autoshorts AI to grow your channel and stay ahead of the competition. Getting started with Autoshorts AI, account setup and pricing plans? To begin your journey with Autoshorts AI, the first step is to set up your account. Navigate to the official website using the link provided in the video description. Once on the homepage, you have two options: sign up with your email and a password, or, for a faster process, sign in directly with your Google account. We recommend using the Google sign-in option for convenience. After successfully signing up, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, the next crucial step is to explore the pricing plans. While a free plan is available, it is highly limited and primarily serves as a way to test the system's basic functions. For any serious content creation, a paid plan is essential. To view the available plans, simply click on the Upgrade button in the top right corner. A key tip for long-term users is to opt for the yearly subscription. This can lead to significant savings, equivalent to 5 months free compared to the monthly plan. If you are committed to using Autoshorts AI for a year or more, the yearly plan offers the best value. Let's break down each plan to help you decide which one is right for you. Understanding the Autoshorts AI pricing tiers. 1. The free plan. This plan is perfect for beginners who want to try the platform before committing. It allows you to create one video and run one series. It's a great way to get a feel for the dashboard and the creation process, but you will quickly outgrow its limitations if you are serious about publishing content regularly. The starter plan. Priced at $15 per month when paid yearly. This plan is ideal for solo creators or beginners who want consistent content without the daily burnout. With the starter plan, Autoshorts AI will auto-post 3 times a week. You get access to all core features, including editing and previewing in high definition, HD, voice cloning, and, most importantly, no watermark. The absence of a watermark is a significant advantage for maintaining a professional and branded look for your content. This plan helps you maintain a steady online presence, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your brand, while Autoshorts AI handles the posting schedule. 3. The daily plan. For creators ready to ramp up their growth, the daily plan is the next step. At $23 per month, when paid yearly, this plan offers the same features as the starter plan: voice cloning, HD quality, and no watermark, but with a key difference. It automates posting 7 days a week. This is perfect for individuals or brands looking to grow faster and maintain a consistent presence across platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. With daily content, you can stay relevant and engage your audience consistently without the manual effort. The hardcore plan. This is the top-tier plan, designed for high-volume content creators, agencies, or channels that want to dominate a niche quickly. At $41 per month, when paid yearly, the hardcore plan provides 2 posts daily, fully automated. It includes all the features of the other plans but is scaled for maximum speed and volume. With this plan, you can put your content strategy on steroids. mixing an evergreen post with a trend-based post each day to maximize your growth and audience reach. This plan is designed for creators who need a constant stream of content to keep their audience engaged and their channel growing at an accelerated pace. After reviewing these plans, you should have a clear idea of which subscription best fits your content creation goals and budget. Remember, choosing the right plan is crucial for a smooth and efficient content workflow. Creating your first video series with Autoshorts AI. Now that you have your account and a paid plan, it's time to create your first video series. From your dashboard, navigate to the Series tab on the left-hand side and click on Create Your Series. This will guide you through a 4-step process. Step 1. Destination. This is where you connect your social media accounts. Autoshorts AI supports platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. You will need a premium plan to link these accounts for direct, automated posting. If you are on the free plan, your videos will be sent to your email instead. Linking your accounts is crucial for enabling the platform's auto post feature, which saves you a significant amount of time and effort. Step 2. Video series theme. Next, you need to define what your video series will be about. You can use a custom prompt to describe your desired niche, or choose from Autoshorts AI's popular topics. For example, the What If niche is an excellent choice for creating evergreen content that sparks curiosity and keeps viewers engaged. Selecting a compelling theme is the foundation of a successful series, as it determines the direction and tone of your content. Step 3. Series settings. This is where you customize the look and feel of your videos. You will be able to select a narration voice, an art style, and other key preferences. Narration voice. The platform offers a variety of voices. You can listen to each one to find the perfect tone for your content. For a What If series, a deeper, more profound voice like Onyx might be ideal to create a sense of intrigue and seriousness. Art style. Autoshorts AI provides a range of art styles, from comic book and Disney to Lego and Studio Ghibli. Choosing an appropriate art style can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your videos. For a What If theme, an expressionism style could be perfect for evoking emotion and a unique visual aesthetic. Aspect ratio. You can choose between vertical, horizontal, or square. For shorts and reels, the vertical aspect ratio, 9:16, is the standard and most effective choice. Video language. The platform supports multiple languages, allowing you to create content for a global audience. Duration preference. You can set the video duration to 30 to 60 seconds or 60 to 90 seconds, depending on your preferred length for short-form content. Keeping it concise and engaging is key to retaining viewers. Step 4. Create and preview. After setting your preferences, you can click on Create Series to begin the generation process. If you are on a free plan, you may encounter a message about high demand, which is another reason why a paid plan is necessary for consistent, reliable content creation. With a premium plan, the platform will generate your videos automatically, and you can preview them before they are posted. Autoshorts AI's video quality is high, producing visually compelling and well-narrated content that looks professional and polished. Exploring advanced features, AI avatar and guides. Beyond the core video series creation, Autoshorts AI offers other impressive features to enhance your content strategy. Navigate to the Tools section on the left-hand side to discover the AI avatar feature. The AI avatar feature. This tool is a game changer for creators who want to produce faceless content while maintaining a personal touch. The AI avatar generator allows you to create short-form videos with a realistic, virtual presenter. You simply write your script, and Autoshorts AI handles the rest. The platform boasts a massive library of over 65 pages of diverse AI avatars, ensuring you can find a unique virtual presenter that fits your brand. This feature is currently in beta and is available for free, meaning you don't need a paid plan to try it out. However, there are some limitations, such as the current lack of audio in the generated clips. Despite this, the potential of this feature is immense for creators who want to build a consistent on-screen presence without ever having to be on camera. Guides and resources. Autoshorts AI also provides a dedicated guide section. Here, you can find a wealth of information and tutorials directly from the platform to help you make the most of its features. This is a valuable resource for both new and experienced users looking to optimize their workflow and discover new ways to use the platform. Billing and account management. In the billing section, you can review your subscription details and explore the pricing plans again if needed. The account section allows you to manage your profile, change your email or password, and link your social media accounts for easy, automated posting. Conclusion: scaling your content with Autoshorts AI. In a competitive digital landscape, efficiency and consistency are key to growth. Autoshorts AI provides a powerful solution for content creators who want to scale their short-form video production without the burnout. From its robust series creation tool to the innovative AI avatar feature, the platform offers everything you need to automate your content and maintain a consistent presence across social media. By using Autoshorts AI, you can free up your time to focus on other aspects of your brand, such as audience engagement and long-term strategy, while the platform handles the day-to-day video generation and posting. Whether you are a solo creator looking to stay active or an agency managing multiple channels, Autoshorts AI offers a scalable, efficient, and effective way to achieve your content goals. Start using Autoshorts AI today to transform your content strategy. By leveraging its powerful automation tools, you can not only grow your channel faster, but also create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. The time you save can be reinvested into building your community, researching new topics, or simply avoiding the stress of daily manual uploads. With this guide, you should now feel confident in your ability to navigate and utilize Autoshorts AI like a pro. Remember to use the provided link to get started and unlock the full potential of automated content creation. We hope this tutorial helps you achieve your content creation goals and scale your channel to new heights.